Aloha everyone, this is Hawaii's Pickle Lady. Today I'm making Thai coconut milk soup with shrimp. This is a very easy recipe, very delicious, and maybe some of the things you have to look for because it's Asian. So first of all, I have here a pot and I have here a can of coconut milk. You're just gonna put everything in the pot, pretty much everything. Okay, and then in the pot I also added 4 cups of water, or you can use, what I did was the shrimp, I peeled it, deveined it, and then I cooked with 4 cups of water, I cooked the shells for about 15 minutes, and then I drained it and get out all the water that I could so that it has a better taste to it. But if you don't want to do that, it's okay. Now I have here a piece of lemongrass. This particular one was frozen, so I'm just going to bend it like this. If you have a fresh lemongrass, what I do is I take the backside of a knife and just kind of smash it to release all the oils. Put it in there. The kaffir lime leaf has a very nice, strong smell, much more than a regular lemon or lime leaf. So I'm just going to tear it to the center to get out all the oils, but I'm not going to break it up. And I have 4 of these, and now I can smell it. Really good. So this is 4 leaves, large leaves, and I just put it in there. And I have like a half of a small onion sliced. And then I have here, it's called galangal. You can get these from the Asian stores. This particular one was frozen in pieces, so I'm just putting it in here. And then 1 chili pepper. You can put more if you like, but I'm afraid it might be too hot. So I just kind of cut it a little bit, not all the way. And then normally we use cilantro roots, but here nobody sells the roots. They just cut it off. So instead I just took a handful or a small bunch of cilantro and put it in. And then I have here a can of straw mushrooms. What I did, sometimes it's kind of salty. I don't like the flavor of it. So I drained it, rinsed it, and drained it again. And I'm just putting it in here. You can use the broken ones too. It's cheaper than the whole mushrooms. And then I have here 1/4 cup of fish sauce and 1/4 cup of lime or lemon juice. And that's all there is to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this to a boil and simmer it for 45 minutes. See you then. It's been 45 minutes. Now I have about half a pound of shrimp that I cleaned and deveined, and I'm going to put it in the soup and just cook it until it turns pink. Here we are. This is the finished soup. It smells wonderful, and I can see all the mushrooms and the shrimp, and then I garnished it with some cilantro. Now I'm going to taste it. The broth is so rich and creamy. I can taste all the spices, the lemongrass, the kaffir lime leaves. I can taste the little bit sourness from the lime juice. And oh, it's delicious. Let's try the shrimp and the mushrooms. Super tender. Now the mushrooms. Very soft, and you gotta try this because there's no other soup like this. So this is really a Thai soup. So if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button. And see you on the next video. Mahalo.